Assalamu alaikum everyone, friends. Today I have one LED TV, palasonic. The model number is TH49CS630K 49 CS630K. The model number is this. So now I try. So turn on. Okay guys. Okay guys, see, so the problem is double image, some line, and the picture is shaking like jumping. So this TV problem, only this, like this, see. So no, check, turn off and take the plug, power supply remove. This one 449-inch LED Smart TV palasonic. So the problem is double image. Okay, so the screw I also open, all screw I open in this. So now I take the cover because a lot of screw then open and must spend time a lot. Okay, so again we'll try. Okay, so the problem is the final screen problem. So I will try one, which one the screen panel two side left and right. Okay, so I open this one first, see, open and then turn on, check again, see guys. So one side black and one side white, they cannot show the display. Okay guys, so turn off, fix this one, very careful, huh? And open this one, the right side open and the left side can fix. So try again. Okay, same problem, they cannot show anything. Okay, so guys, like this side some line, I will block the some line and then after that check the display how. So I take a little bit type, white type, like this, huh, guys. So block some line here and then fix. Actually this side, the right side is problem, so now try. Okay, oh, they show like this. No problem cannot solve. Display is coming, but some problem. Okay guys, so block set the 3 line 1 2 3. Okay guys, 3 line. After maybe 12 line can block. So let's try. So picture is good guys. See, the problem is solved. Not checking, and inside don't have the line, and then so guys, few line I can block, and the problem is successful. Okay guys, the TV is so repair ready. So please guys, like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So done ready the problem. Thank you guys. See, good. Here, this one the left side and this one the right side. See, I can block a few line, maybe 12 line I close. Okay guys, so like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.